And now welcome to Guesto's Chef's Kitchen.
आज आमच्या बरोबर आसात शेफ सुशील जोशी. पळोवया नवीन कसली तरी एक न्यू इयराची डिश. वेलकम.
थैंक यू वेरी मच.
कौन सा न्यू डिश आज?
आज हमारे साथ हम लोग बनाएंगे pumpkin pie, pumpkin and walnut pie.
Wow, never
Pumpkin and
tasted
walnut
before
pie,
again.
yes.
What are the ingredients?
To make a pie dough, we require butter,
Okay.
and some sugar, some salt, refined flour. Okay, these are the main mixtures, main things we are required. Its milk is option for to make a dough. Generally, we don't use water or milk when we are making a short crust dough because it has their own shortening, or the butter gives the strength, or gluten which is there in the flour gives the strength on the dough. So we don't
And I
require
think
it.
this is a pumpkin pulp.
Pumpkin pulp is generally we are using these all for the fillings. Pumpkin, milk, so then your walnut, sugar, egg. Eggs is gonna be there in the dough,
Okay.
but these are there for the, and we'll make the final product of the app. There's your pumpkin and walnut pie.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll start it.
We'll start. This is the 125 gram of butter.
This is what butter you're using?
This is a cooking butter.
No, the same butter which we use for.
You can use, you can get the Amul butter. In the Amul butter only you will get the cooking butter separate and the regular.
Okay, so that what
Butter.
I'm saying. This is not the regular butter which we use for our bread and.
You can use it.
Okay.
You can use that also.
Okay.
I'll use the sugar in it. This is your pie molding. Now we have to cook it for some time. That is 15 minutes time for the cooking.
Okay.
Then we'll cook it in the oven, and then again we'll put them till it gets cooked in the oven. We'll make the mixture of the pumpkin,
Okay.
Fine.
and then we'll go ahead for the next recipe. Now we'll make the mixture. We did the pie and we are cooking it for the 10 minutes,
Okay.
and till the time we'll make the mixture which is going to be stuffed in the pie, and we'll cover it with the same dough,
Okay.
and then we'll again cook it. This is pumpkin.
This is pumpkin. What you have taken?
It's a regular pumpkin. You make a puree out of it,
Okay.
a raw one.
You get it
Not-
ready-made also in the market?
No, you don't get the pumpkin puree. This is sugar.
Any other thing we can use?
You can
instead
make
of
it with
pumpkin?
the carrot. You can make it with the apple. You
Apple.
can peach and all the things, pineapple,
Mhm.
and all the things you can use it without of the pumpkin.
The procedure is same. Make
Same,
it a
same,
puree
same.
and use it.
For the fruits, you don't require to. If you make a puree, it will become a juice.
Yeah, that's
Huh?
it.
For that purpose, you make a slices of the fruit. Either it is a pumpkin, either it is it is a apple or pineapple or peach. You make a slices of it, and the same mixture for it. And for that, you can use also gato का जो crumb आता है. You get the gato crumb. That also you can put it as a thickening.
Okay.
There is a sugar and the pumpkin in it. It adds a little bit of more. Add egg in it to get bind the mixture.
Now here you have used a whole one egg.
Yes, whole one egg. Okay. And the walnuts. Some cinnamon powder in it. Just for the give it a nice flavor. See? And now the milk in it.
अविनाश एकदम दुधियाचा असा गरम पडला and the people like me who don't use or eat pumpkin in their daily meal or something can, I think, definitely go for this.
Little of the milk more. If you can use the cream, which is readily available in the market, you can put the cream also behalf of this thing.
Instead of milk, you can-
Yeah. Yes, the mixture is ready,
Okay.
but we have to wait for some time. This is
Try this pie also at home. So this was our Christmas special gala lunch.
हे बुफे लंच कशें असले ताची चव कशी असली हे कळोवपाक मात्र आमकां विसरो नाकात.
तुम्ही आमकां कॉन्टॅक्ट करू शकता features@prudentmedia.in.
आता तुमकां सगळ्यांक बाय बाय.
Bite, eat and stay connected with us.
आणि बायट इट प्रोग्राम पळोवपाक विसरो नाकात.
And yes, keep watching
प्रुडंट.